LEADER is a community fund that is really focused on grassroots within communities, particularly rural communities such as those here in Pembrokeshire and West Wales. It enables communities to support innovative projects on areas ranging from food and drink to culture and heritage, environmental, transport and many other facets. Planed is the administrative body for LEADER in Pembrokeshire under the banner of Arwain Sir Benfro, and we work with a local action group, commonly known as the LAG, which enables a broad cross-section of sectors, organisations and individuals across the county to come together and to look at supporting projects submitted by those communities.
I'm Bethan Symes. I'm the project manager for the Marine Energy Test Area project. META is the Marine Energy Test Area project run by Pembrokeshire Coastal Forum under the Marine Energy Wales programme. So it is a number of pre-consented test sites for marine energy devices such as wave and tidal. Its aim is to reduce the time, cost and risk that marine energy developers face when trying to get their projects from initial design stage through to commercialisation. So META offers some really accessible, relatively sheltered sites, but that still experience the resource that developers need in order to test that their device can operate successfully and can survive in the conditions and really showcase the reliability of the device. So a key principle of LEADER is innovation. And META provides a key innovation hub for renewable energy. We obtained funding from LEADER back in 2016 to carry out a feasibility study, and that was to ascertain the need and viability for a test centre here in Wales, and helped us to understand the development process to set up a test centre and how to operate it, and really looked at any barriers for that development, but highlighted sort of collaborative solutions to resolve those barriers. So the purpose of the LEADER study was to confirm the feasibility of a test centre here in Wales. It confirmed that it is feasible and that Pembrokeshire is the perfect location for such a test site. So Pembrokeshire is very lucky in that we've got really good wave and tidal resource. The Milford Haven Waterway in particular is a really good location for a test centre because it's a deep water port, but it's also surrounded by a really experienced, strong supply chain that can really assist marine energy developers in fabricating their devices and moving through to commercialisation. One of the crucial learning points from the LEADER project was to ensure that we had maximum flexibility in the testing parameters that we were looking to obtain consent and licences for. So some other key learning is how marine energy can bring some really significant economic benefits to coastal communities like Pembrokeshire. And as Marine Energy Wales, we were then able to take that learning and apply it to other areas in Wales, such as Anglesey. So that's been really good to sort of develop a Welsh industry and really anchor that industry here in Wales. Innovation is key to META, so META acts as a real innovation hub. So since the LEADER funding and since we've obtained additional funding, we've been able to set up our phase 1 element of the project, which is 5 operational test sites directly adjacent to Pembroke Port. Since then we've been working on developing our phase 2 of the project, which is 3 operational test sites for wave and tidal testing, and we were hopefully going to be over the line with that element of the project in the coming months.